Hey guys, how are you doing? It is Larry here for Havoc and Monster with another post-workout video. Today was posterior hamstring day, so hamstrings, lower back, a little bit of ab work. Tiring, which is always good. It's just about 6 a.m. Finishing up here, getting up before the sun, finishing before the sun rises, and getting about my day. As always, got my fueling after workout. Gotta grow, so gotta fuel the muscles to grow. Today's video is gonna be a little different. This is actually for gyms and gym owners, managers, and the businesses. Something I've noticed a lot lately in a couple of gyms I've been to is maintaining equipment. It's probably one of the most important things you can do, other than customer service and whatnot. I witnessed frames of heavy weighted equipment. The bolts were coming out. Bench presses where the frames were loose and legitimately rocking back and forth as you're benching. Cables that were frayed, about to snap any minute, and guide rods that haven't been lubricated in, I don't think, ever. You know, the chrome is starting to rip off of it, and it's dangerous. Very, very dangerous, other than, you know, that's the worst case scenario, and then just being annoying is the other one. You know, when you're lifting 60, 70 pounds on a weight stack, and all of a sudden it goes up, catches a dry spot on the rod, and the whole rod lifts up and slams back down again. It's not tremendously noisy, but it's annoying. And it gives a sign that there's something wrong. Oh, pulleys. Pulleys that are either cracked, broken, which is probably what's fraying the cables, or they're completely twisted when it's supposed to be front and back and it's sideways. Most people will be like, not a big deal as long as it's still on there, right? Well, no, because as it's turned, you're increasing the resistance on it, which if you're weightlifting, more resistance, better work. No, you're putting more pressure and stress on the equipment itself. That could snap. This will happen over time. Obviously, it's not going to happen in a day, but it's just an unnecessary occurrence and an unnecessary expense for the gym, and just a danger to members. Now, if you're a fitness facility and you charge an annual maintenance fee and you don't maintain the equipment, yeah, you're a dick. Just saying. Something to look into. All right, let's just do the right thing. So that's my post-workout car rant for today. Thanks again for watching, guys. Gym owners, please maintain your equipment. $3 you get a can of lubricant spray. Do not use WD-40. Not a good idea. That's a degreaser. You need to grease things. Anyway, little sidebar there. Havoc and Monsters. Thanks again.